Hello guys, good morning. Ito po ngayong umaga may binigay sa akin yung ating mabait na kapitbahay sa likod. Ayan, Merry Christmas from Dandan and Sheen Rivera and family. Thank you Mishi and Dandan. Yan guys, unboxing natin yung pagkain. Bubuksan natin. Maganda naman, nakabalik pa talaga. Ayun guys. Ayun, thank you. Wow. Kasarap naman. Ito yun guys. Wow, macaron. Ayan guys, oh. Marami siya man, dalawang hilera ito. Meron pa sa ilalim. Oh, kasarap. Oh. Binigay lang to guys sa ating mababait na kapitbahay na nasa likod. Talagang pumunta ngayon, inabot niya. Oh, maraming salamat Mishi and Dandan Rivera and family. Thank you so much sa binigay mong macaron. Ayun guys, ang sarap lang. Madami siyang laman. Ayan, thank you po. Ito yung nagbigay. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas from Dandan and Sheen Rivera and family. Thank you so much, She and Dandan. Thank you. God bless you always. Thank you guys. Thank you.